Hello guys, it's Satoshi official app, and you can see that here you have good opportunities to earn legit our rewards, and here you can see lots of project in project section. Here when you goes to, then you can watch that lots of project give by this app for world that people can earn, and here mostly people get a reward, and it's only few apps in cryptocurrencies world that can legit reward, and here you can watch out that Coland, Glyph, BWB points, and also many coins, and also OpenX. Here people get a reward after airdrop completed, and I also make a few, but enough. It's not enough. I want more, but 100 core coins I also get in reward when airdrop was continue, and 80 coins of core coins I get in mine, and 20 cores in 1 year of stake, and now the price of core coins is approximately $1. So I have these coins in $100 quantity, which can sell I anytime, but I can't this because expert says that 100 coins of core is not a little amount, because after few years they can give you good return by staking, because if you think that in 2 or 3 years this 100 coins become 150 coins or 200 core coins, then my staking will power increased, and I can generate more coins in a few years, and which will 100 to 200, and my target is 1000 core coins. If I have 1000 core coins, then you think that in a few years it will cross $10 of price. So it will give me $10,000, and it's possible because in 24 years its price goes to $4 to $5, and upcoming next drop also in line. So we should motivate and hopeful, and also I think that it's if it will not happen, then my coins will stay down and continue in staking. So it's also good point of view. And also I get few other coins like OEX and others. So please join this one channel for crypto tradings and price prediction for little trading. Thank you.